Hi, welcome back. And I just wanted to go over this week's packet. This week we are going to be reading That's a Rule. Last week we read on signs, street signs, what they are and what they mean. This time, how do we apply a rule and why do we have a rule? So that's the focus for this week. The letter is the letter C, and as in cat, and the ch sound, CH. The number is the number 4. Also in morning meeting, I'm going over a few equations, how to get to 4, like 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, and more the concept of the number 4. So again, do what you can, and this is just more or less a guide and an encouragement to maybe incorporate some PE. PE is also included in Google Slides. There are a few that you might like it better than others, so they might be something that you can follow online, or maybe you're just accustomed to a certain outdoor activity that you enjoy. Whatever it is, that's what we want to see our students do. Please focus on your IEP goals. The data is very important, and if you can provide me any information, it's very appreciated. If you feel like one section is not being accomplished and we're not making headway, you are making headway. Just the very fact that you're going over it is fantastic. Little by little, you'll see that as we do in school, we'll see improvements. So I do have the vocational, some hygiene also broken down into a visual task analysis. Many of our students are getting them, some aren't. And I think going forward, I will be incorporating it at least for 1 week in everyone's packet and seeing how it works for you if you like that better. So here's our trusty calendar, good for tracing. Please identify the number rather, to when they're using the pencil or however they're marking in the date. That does help, number to word. And here is, this side here is not, it's not ready for tracing, so I apologize. It's not going to apply for everybody, but some of our students can fill that out, and maybe some of our students can also identify this. So that's our calendar. Our trusty grooming check, and also our task analysis for brushing teeth. I thought this was cute, and it just had 7 steps, and and anything different sometimes might be a little bit helpful. So here's our story. It's adaptive reading, and I really like how the pictures kind of match along with the words, and that hopefully will be something that you can read more than once to your student. Here are our questions. I have a lot of them. For one student, we went ahead and traced out the answer. Not only do we have the page and the line number to refer to, but the answer was traced out. And sometimes not all our students can copy. I understand that. And going forward, those students that need the tracing, I will incorporate it. And this is a multiple subject. It can look very confusing at first, but to some students, you may just have to refer the answer right away and just point to it. If you feel that you can open it up to 2 possibilities, that's really great. 3 might be overwhelming and confusing. Also, as you go down, cover up the questions on the bottom, and then uncover what you have on the top. You may just, like I said, have to point to just 1, or just select 2 to choose from the question. But the pictures are helpful. So let's see, passing through Although reading comprehension are, some of our packets will look different, some will look somewhat the same. I think most of us do have this, and that was that it will be a morning meeting, and it's from Writing Without Tears. So I have a few pages with that. It's pretty large, and it's really cute. So the letter B, just a review. This is great for our students to do matching, and some like it more than others, but it's a great matching exercise. This is for the color blue, so you can use different blues. Some students may like to really play around with the blues, and just depending on everybody. Everyone, regardless as to your level, will be receiving this. So it does relate to our chapter. It is one where you don't only see the number, but you also can count out each and every one of the items referred to in this story. Again, those of you who would prefer to have this traced out, I apologize, I didn't have the number traced out for everyone, so I'll take that into consideration next time. But some of you will have the number, and you can just, as long as we come up to the correct amount, that's already a good step. So the 2 pages of this. Just a few of the students will have the dollar over sheet. So you do probably have play money at home. Hopefully you have enough. So let me know if you don't. And this is pretty widely used goal for a bunch of us. And this is for those of us who need a calculator. So that's going home. And we're staying in nothing larger than a double digit. This is a great high school goal. Some of our students have goals for graphs, and this is also going home. So just a comparison basically of more or less. So I think more of our students can do it than I've indicated in everyone's IEP, but this is an IEP goal related math goal. Make sure you do your speech and OT goals that are going home. And I hope you have a good week. If you have any questions, please call me and or email me, and I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.